FreshBooks Review 2026. Is it better than QuickBooks? If you're a freelancer, agency owner, or small business looking for the perfect accounting software, you probably heard of FreshBooks and QuickBooks. In today's video review, we'll break down FreshBooks in 2026, its features, pricing, pros and cons, and how it stacks up against QuickBooks. Is it finally the better choice? Let's find out. What is FreshBooks? FreshBooks is a cloud-based accounting software designed specifically for small businesses, freelancers, and service providers. It focuses on simplicity, automation, and ease of use while offering essential features like invoicing, time tracking, and expense management. Before moving forward, do check out the links in the description to get the best available discount. Core features of FreshBooks: 1, smart invoicing or custom branded invoices or automatic payment reminders or recurring invoices with auto bill or multiple currency and language support. 2, expense tracking or link your bank or card for real-time tracking or attach receipts via mobile. Categorize expenses for tax season. 3, time tracking built-in time tracker with team collaboration. Convert hours to invoices with one click. 4, project management. Collaborate with clients. Share files, chat, and assign tasks inside FreshBooks. 5, payments and proposals. Accept payments via credit cards. ACH, PayPal, Stripe. Send professional proposals with e-signatures. 6, reports and dashboards. Profit and loss, expense reports, timesheets. Tax summary reports. Easy to read dashboard with KPI widget. 7, mobile app. Fully functional for invoicing, expense upload, and time logging. Syncs across devices. User interface and experience. FreshBooks shines in its clean, intuitive interface. Compared to QuickBooks, it's less cluttered and more beginner-friendly. Left navigation bar with clear sections, invoices, expenses, time tracking, etc. Color-coded visuals and graphs for finances. Drag and drop file uploads. Mobile app has almost full desktop parity. The user interface UI of FreshBooks is widely regarded as one of its strongest assets, especially when compared to more complex accounting platforms like QuickBooks. It has been designed with non-accountants and small business owners in mind, emphasizing clarity, accessibility, and ease of navigation. The left-hand navigation bar is logically segmented, giving users quick access to the core tools they need most: invoices, expenses, time tracking. Color plays a significant role in the user experience. Color-coded charts and visuals help highlight trends and metrics at a glance, like income versus expenses or hours logged per project. This makes it easier to digest financial data visually, reducing reliance on raw numbers or dense tables. For example, overdue invoices are marked in red, while paid invoices appear in green, helping users quickly understand their cash flow status. Another feature that stands out is drag and drop file uploading, especially useful when attaching receipts or documents to expenses. The FreshBooks mobile app mirrors the desktop version almost entirely. Whether you're creating an invoice, logging hours, capturing receipts, or checking your financial dashboard, the mobile UI maintains the same simplicity and fluidity, allowing for a truly mobile-first experience. This consistency between platforms ensures that users can manage their finances on the go without sacrificing functionality or usability. Perfect for non-accountants and solo professionals. Pricing as of 2025, plan monthly price ideal for like 19-month freelancers up to 5 clients, plus 33-month growing businesses up to 50 clients. Premium 60-month, high volume invoicing, custom varies, large teams or custom workflows. Add-ons, team members, $11 user month, advanced payments. Note: FreshBooks often offers 30-day trials and seasonal discounts. Customer support, live chat, phone, and email support. Extensive knowledge base and video tutorials, fast response times, typically under 5 minutes on chat, friendly, North America-based support team. Pros of FreshBooks: 1, very easy to use. Even for beginners, one of FreshBooks' greatest advantages is its intuitive and user-friendly interface. Unlike traditional accounting platforms that can feel overwhelming, FreshBooks is designed specifically for people without a finance or accounting background. Tasks like sending invoices, tracking time, or recording expenses are simplified with guided steps. Snap and upload receipts for expenses. Accept payments and view financial dashboards in real time. This level of mobile parity with the desktop experience is a major plus for freelancers and professionals who are frequently on the move, such as consultants, contractors, and creatives. 3, great for time-based billing and freelancers. FreshBooks excels at time tracking and billing by the hour, 2 essential features for freelancers and service businesses. Users can track time directly from their desktop or mobile app, assign billable hours to specific clients or projects, automatically convert those hours into invoices. This eliminates the need for third-party time tracking tools and ensures billing accuracy, which is particularly beneficial for professionals like designers, developers, lawyers, and consultants. 4, built-in proposals and client collaboration. FreshBooks goes beyond standard accounting by offering client-facing tools such as proposals and project collaboration. Create customized proposals with scope, timelines, and pricing. Share documents and files with clients through a secure portal. Communicate directly within the platform to streamline feedback. These features are a huge value add for agencies and freelancers who need to send polished documents and stay in sync with clients, all within one platform. 5, strong automation, e.g. is late payment reminders. Automation is another core strength of FreshBooks. It helps users save time and reduce administrative workload through automatic payment reminders for overdue invoices, recurring billing and subscriptions, auto late fees to incentivize timely payments, automated bank imports, and expense categorization. These features help maintain a healthy cash flow and minimize manual follow-up, allowing business owners to focus more on delivering value rather than chasing payments or bookkeeping. Cons of FreshBooks: limited to 5 clients on basic plan, not ideal for inventory-based businesses. Fewer integrations compared to QuickBooks. Reporting is simpler, may not suit accountants or CFOs. FreshBooks versus QuickBooks, which is better? Feature FreshBooks, QuickBooks ease of use. FreshBooks got 5 out of 5 stars, while QuickBooks got 3 out of 5. Invoicing: FreshBooks got 5 stars, while QuickBooks got 4 stars. Inventory tracking: no inventory tracking, and FreshBooks and QuickBooks support this. Payroll: FreshBooks doesn't have this feature, but can be integrated with Gusto only via Gusto only reporting depth. QuickBooks is better in an in-depth reporting. Time tracking: FreshBooks has built-in time tracking and QuickBooks has an add-on feature. Built-in add-on best for freelancers, service pros, SMBs, product businesses. Verdict: choose FreshBooks if you're a freelancer, agency, or service-based business that values ease of use, smart invoicing, and project collaboration. Choose QuickBooks if you're managing inventory, need detailed reporting, or want full-scale payroll and tax automation. What people are saying: Trustpilot G2. Trustpilot 4.4 out of 5, praised for support and interface. G2 reviews: best for solo entrepreneurs, reliable invoicing platform. Users like the simplicity, but some note feature limitations for scaling businesses. Final thoughts: is FreshBooks worth it in 2025? FreshBooks in 2025 is a top-tier accounting tool for small service businesses. It's not just about bookkeeping. It's about saving time, impressing clients, and staying organized without a learning curve. Go for FreshBooks if you want clean invoicing and time tracking. You're a freelancer, agency, or creative pro. You hate spreadsheets and complex menus. Skip it. If you run a product-heavy or inventory-based business, you need advanced reporting and deep accounting tools. Thanks for watching. If you found this FreshBooks review helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more honest software reviews. Got questions or comparisons? Drop them in the comments. Until next time, stay efficient, stay profitable.